Ready to unlock amazing new worlds and characters in Toca World? All thanks to that Apple gift card burning a hole in your pocket. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your Apple gift card is ready to go. Scratch off the silver strip on the back to reveal the redemption code. Now open the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. You'll usually find it on your home screen. Look for the blue icon with the white A. In the App Store, tap on your profile icon. It's usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and might have your picture or initials. Next, select Redeem Gift Card or Code. This will take you to the redemption page. You now have two options. You can either use your device's camera to scan the code, which is usually the easier route, or you can enter the code manually. For this example, we'll enter it manually. Make sure you type it in exactly as it appears on the card. After entering the code, tap Redeem in the upper right-hand corner. You should see a confirmation message letting you know that the gift card has been successfully added to your Apple ID balance. Alright, now let's open up Toca World. Head to the in-app purchase section of Toca World. This is where you can buy new locations, furniture packs, characters, or anything else that tickles your fancy. Choose the item you want and tap the price. When the Apple payment prompt pops up, confirm that you want to use your Apple ID balance to make the purchase. You might need to verify it with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. And there you have it. Your new content will be immediately available in Toca World. Happy playing!